If you like activated charcoal soap, bamboo soap, soaps that help with acne, this is a very good soap that will help with acne. It will help to draw out those impurities, help you get a glowing skin. Men can use this, children can use this, like teenagers can use this. People that I'm not really fan of, like black soap, they can use this because it has similar properties as black soap and activated charcoal soaps. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And if you enjoyed this video, you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It shows me that you appreciate my videos and you're learning something from these videos. Okay, this particular video is not going to be very long, it's just a very short video. I'm talking about a soap, and from the thumbnail you will know this is the long reach soap. It is their natural essence bamboo charcoal soap. It's not a very common soap like in skincare. It's not a very common soap like for pro mixing, organics and all of that, but it's a very good soap, and I'm here to tell you why. If you like activated charcoal soap, bamboo soap, soaps that help with acne, this is a very good soap that will help with acne. It will help to draw out those impurities, help you get a glowing skin. Men can use this, children can use this, like teenagers can use this. People that I'm not really fan of, like black soap, they can use this because it has similar properties as black soap and activated charcoal soap. So this is the natural essence bamboo charcoal soap. I'm just reading a little from what they have here. It contains refined bamboo charcoal extract, effectively cleanses dirt. Yes, it will cleanse the skin because activated charcoal tends to suck out those toxins that clog the pores and all of that. It will help to remove grime and excessive skin grease from skin. It will definitely reduce oil, leaving the skin feeling clean and fresh, moisturizes, protects and softens skin. Mild formula, ideal for oily or combination skin. So if you have oily skin, this is a great soap for you. If you have combination skin, this is also a very good soap for you, and you can use it every single day. All right, and the ingredients here are glycerin, sucrose, water, alcohol, palmitic acid, which is what I like in my soap, lauric acid, sorbitol, sodium lauryl sulfate, stearic acid, sodium hydroxide, perfume, and bamboo charcoal. So it has perfume, but it's not that strong, and this soap can last up to 3 years. Yes, now it's on a bit of the pricey side. It's 3.1 or thereabouts, and so this is how it is. There are 3 bars inside. Let me show you. So these are the 3 bars inside the soap. I like the packaging. It's simple, it's effective, it gets the work done. It's just a very nice soap. It smells good as well. I think that's the perfume at work, or it's not something that you can't handle. So this is it. This is how it is. It's the natural essence soap. It smells good, like I said, and it helps to remove toxins. It's generally a very good soap. If you're someone that has acne, this will help. Just like the Jam acne face soap, this will help to dry it out. You don't have to pop the pimple or all of that. It's going to dry it out. Anything that has activated charcoal, bamboo extract, all of that is great for acne and oily combination skin. So if you're someone who you break out once in a while, you can use this. For someone that suffers from severe acne, you can use this. If you don't like black soap, you're not all about that black soap life, this is also a good option for you to use. All right, so look at it closely. I'm always here to give you guys nice tips, things that work. So this is something that definitely works. Get yourself one of these. Like I said, men can use this, so you can give it to your husband, your boyfriend, anyone. They can definitely use this as well. Women can use this. It is a good soap. It is a good face soap. It's a good option to black soap and all of that. Okay, so if you're not about a black soap life, this is a soap that is very good for you. All right, I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, videos you'd like to see, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.